This is a quick tutorial on creating an auto export within XrayVision. So the first thing is to go into a patient's chart. I'm going to go into John Doe's chart here, and I'll open an image. Just click on the single image. Once you have an image open, upper left-hand corner on File and Auto Export. So let's click on Auto Export. We don't have one defined, so let's create new. Let's call this Exported Images. Clicking on Next. The target path, let's choose a place on our desktop is what I like. I'll click on Desktop, and how about I right-click, go to New, the very top folder, and I'll create a new folder, Exported Images. I'm going to select that folder, make sure it's highlighted in blue, and OK. Let's do create a subdirectory based on the current patient information, clicking on Next. Let's save the image to an automatically generated file name, that bottom one, and click on Next. Let's put a check mark by including the patient information in the file name. I don't need the file extension, so I'll leave that one blank. I don't typically create a footer, but you can if you wanted to have the doctor's name always show up on each image. Once you click on Next, the image file format needs to be a JPEG, so use this drop-down menu and click on JPEG and then Finish. So here's our auto export, and let's click Done. Now that we've created where that export's going, let's create an icon in the toolbar that will match that. We don't have to do that. We can literally right-click on the image, save, and export. You'll see this folder, Exported Images, that will automatically go into that folder. Let's find it here, Exported Images. There we go. There's that periapical. But if you want to create a toolbar, let's go to Tools, Customize Toolbar, add and insert new, and under File, we would then choose the Auto Export, the folder that we created, Exported Images, and let's choose the arrow. I like the arrow for that graphic. Say OK, and just so it's going to move that, actually I'm going to left hold and drag it up top. So now I've created this toolbar here for exported images, and whatever image is open, when you click on that, it automatically goes to this Exported Images folder. Now it has that second one that I just exported. So anytime there's an image open, let's open up a layout here. When you have a layout, you can click on Exported Images. So under the layout, how big of a file do you want? I click medium, and I have a check mark by that grayscale, and I say OK. So let's just double check that layout went under John Doe's chart, and there that layout is.